Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and DGen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So now, unpopular opinion, is the SEC the key behind the next crypto bull market? Are we going to see some drastic changes in the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Solana? Are we going to see the altcoin bull market go parabolic? When is the bull market starting? When is this stuff going to happen? I want you guys to watch this video until the very end. You're going to get key insight from my channel, and we're going to get right into the prices. We're going to get right into the news. We're going to show you my trades that are open right now on Bitflex and on MEXC. I have a trade open on Bitcoin on Bitflex, and I have a trade on Ethereum on MEXC. We're going to get right into it, guys. I want you to smash the like button. I want you to watch this video until the very end. Why not watch it to the very end? This is the best content that you can watch on YouTube, is cryptocurrency content. Why else would you be here? So let's get into the video. So this is why the U.S. Securities Regulatory body could actually be the inadvertent propeller for the next crypto bull market. So the crypto market has recovered a lot of losses sustained in 2022, with BTC rising by over 80% for the year to date for those gains. So moreover, the BTC halving is scheduled to take place in less than a year, which is in I believe June or July of 2024. Which is typically regarded as a catalyst for upcoming price increases. So the recent developments from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission could suggest that the agency might also have a role in a potential bull market. Why? So we have the cases against the Coinbase and Binance that are going to have to be restructured, and some of the regulatory framework and body for these cases are going to have to change because of the ruling for XRP not being a security. So there are some things in the case that might have to have some context in regards to whether XRP was a security or a commodity. The way that they started their offering when they were doing their sale. And there's some other things in there that we don't necessarily have to get into, but it will change the framework for the cases in a good way, in a positive, bullish way for Coinbase and Binance. So in that, it also will, I think, supercharge the decision-making for the spot Bitcoin ETFs that are with companies such as Grayscale, ARK Invest, Fidelity, WisdomTree, VanEck, and others. So with the agency's growing attacks against the industry with its latest series of lawsuits, many believe that such a product will not see the light of day, at least not anytime soon. But that is changing. You know, we have Larry Fink, you know, BlackRock's CEO, is, you know, basically saying that Bitcoin is better than gold. There's videos of him going on TV, on news, and saying that Bitcoin is the future and that it is going to be something that they are heavily invested in. And this company has trillions of dollars. So we are going to see a bull market fully take off. So if you look here, if we look at the charts here, we can see the Bitcoin halving, and we'll do the Bitcoin halving dates here. We have the chart here. We can see here. This one, yeah, this might be a nice one to look at. Let's check this one out. So we have Bitcoin halving history with charts and dates. We can see here that this was the first halving right here. And then you can see right after we saw a massive pump. You can see here we have the second halving, which is 2016. Massive pump. So now we're sitting in our price area. We're right in between 10,000 and 100,000. So obviously we're sitting right in this area right here. And if we were to look at the price of Bitcoin right now, and you can see I'm in a Bitcoin long trade. We are currently in profit right now. We're just in a small position, and we're definitely going to start adding to this once we start seeing. I mean, look, we've just been moving sideways. You see that moving average, and you can see that we had a really nice pump all the way up as high as 31,350, and that was or 31,900. We almost crossed 32,000, and we're starting to see, that breakdown, and then now we're moving sideways. I think we are going to be flipping bullish here very, very soon. I mean, it's basically just like a ticking time bomb at this point with the Bitcoin ETFs being approved, and we're gonna see some interesting price movements here. So if we look at the daily, let's look at the daily here. If it'll load up, let's see. We'll refresh this. Go to the daily, and yeah, so you can see here on the daily, we are coming up to original. Let's go to the weekly here, and that is interesting. On the weekly, it is not giving me any data here. All right, so let's go to our Bitcoin here on MEXC, and then we'll look at the week here on MEXC, get a little bit more data here. Okay, so you can see that we're in this this bull flag here. Basically, I mean, you can see, look right here, that's the bull flag. Here is the previous support, our previous support level right here, where we blasted off and started going up towards 50K, and then kind of retraced for a little bit, and then started to go and blast off to our all-time highs. So this is why we are seeing what we're seeing right now. So we can really judge on this looking at the weekly. That, look, guys, come on, look at this, and it's almost a cup and handle too. I mean, if you're looking at this right here, we got a cup, and there's your handle. We're coming to a bull flag, and honestly, we're moving in this sideways accumulation right here. I mean, if you get into any prices in this range, I mean, we're going to be pushing into 40K territory in the next couple months. I think, the end of this year is going to surprise people. I really think so. It's going to surprise the crap out of people. Everyone's been, having their price predictions, but I mean, do we really know how high Bitcoin is going to go when we see that? When we see those trillions of dollars just flood in from the spot ETFs, and just like the true FOMO after the price starts really going back up, and people just start buying spot market buying Bitcoin. So I'm loving this right now. I'm liking this price action. If we want to look at Ethereum really quick, we can look at Ethereum. I'm in an Ethereum trade right now. We were up a little bit. I think the highest we got here on this particular trade was at 13%. We probably could have taken just a tiny little bit of profit, but we can see right now, it's breaking down. We're not leveraged too much on this. It's only 15x, but we can see that we're in the same type of formation that Bitcoin is. If we're looking at the weekly here, we have these two all-time highs, and we're sitting at original support level. And we don't want to turn that into resistance. We don't want to get rejected right here. We want to get supported. So that's why I'm in this trade right now. I believe that we will be supported, and we will go past 2K, like really past 2K, like back in the 3K range, like where we're getting into 2,500 to 3K range. And I'll probably be adding to these positions and keeping these positions open. And if you want to use my referral links, you can use MEXC referral link to trade all your main coins and your meme coins and your altcoins and all your different coin plays on Bitflex. You can use Bitflex to do simple trading. You can just you can long, you can short, you can trade. Let me see all of the different contracts on here. You can trade BTC, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Polygon, Polkadot, Tron, Avalanche, Litecoin, Algorand, Near Protocol, Filecoin, Apecoin, Mana. I mean, you got all your main coins right here. You got Monero, Solana, Optimism, Link. You know, all these you should definitely be familiar with, but you can trade these on Bitflex, and I have a referral program running with them. Use my links, and you guys can get up to $30,000 with a deposit bonus, and that's with both referral links. Also, use my Bybit link as well if you are able to KYC. And yeah, so if we want to get more into the altcoins here, we can look at how the price actions are on the daily right here. Just some small moves to the downside for the altcoins. Nothing too crazy, 1% for XRP. But if we just look at the dailies here, we got Caspa up 15%, MakerDAO 9, 1inch had saw a nice pump. I think people are. Maybe there's some news on 1inch, but I think the sentiment for decentralized exchanges and aggregators and things like that are going to get some more traction, some more liquidity, especially more institutions start using them for any kind of back-end stuff. But yeah, guys, let me know if you are in some trades, and let me know how your trades are doing. You can check these out on and trade on Bitflex and on MEXC and on Bybit. And I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think the price prediction of Bitcoin is going to be for you. What do you think? What do you think it's going to be? What do you think XRP is going to be in the next week? Where do you think Ethereum is going to be in the next week? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.